The 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40 is a brilliant fusion of vintage aesthetics and cutting-edge automotive technology. Retaining its legendary boxy look with a modern twist, the FJ40 now boasts sharper LED headlights, a redefined front grille, and toughened body lines. It still honors its rugged heritage, but with a sleeker and more aerodynamic profile that suits today's off-road and urban demands. Its upgraded suspension system features advanced coil-over shocks and an electronically adjustable ride height, making it versatile across terrains, from rocky mountain trails to smooth highways. Off-roaders will appreciate the solid axle build and enhanced articulation, ensuring that the FJ40 remains planted and stable no matter the challenge. The road grip is noticeably tighter, thanks to all-terrain tires and intelligent traction control that adapts to surface changes in real time. Under the hood, the FJ40 is powered by a refined 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6, delivering impressive horsepower with a hybrid boost. Acceleration is swift and powerful, and its 0 to 60 time is surprisingly agile for a rugged SUV, making it as exciting on the road as it is off it. The steering response has been fine-tuned, offering both control and confidence whether you're cruising or climbing. Step inside, and you're welcomed with a rich mix of nostalgia and tech-savvy features. The dashboard features a clean layout with a digital instrument cluster and touchscreen infotainment system compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The seats are upholstered in premium leather with earthy tones, desert tan or deep forest green, complementing its rugged charm. Contrasting stitching and aluminum accents add a premium feel, while heated seats and dual-zone climate control ensure comfort in all seasons.